Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show to you how make filament from waste plastic. During time, like and share this video. Also, make you sure hit that subscribe button. We start at bottle preparing. Firstly, removing plastic sheet. After, clean up glue waste with a little bit isopropyl alcohol. And then pump air inside and made a pressure inside.
I don't wanna think about you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. It was for tonight. I'm done with
After applying a hot air to bottle for a getting soft and flat surface. Next step is a turning bottle to plastic shredded long sheet. For doing this, I am using own design this apparatus. Also, I 3D printing with PET filament because of too much stiff and strength. I am cutting downside after give a short guide path. After, place it to cutter.
I don't wanna think about you.
And then slowly pulling.
bir dansöz, bir palyaço. Yok ya oynasın ya. Manyak mısın oğlum sen? Başka yerde anlatma bunu. Vallahi hastaneyi kapatırım.
Now is shredded sheet piece is ready.
I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you.
Next step is turning this sheet to filament. For doing this, I use own filament maker machine. I am not complete yet. As soon as possible, I make a video about it. Power on, and then setting temperature. In this time, pass trough sheet into heatsink. This machinery working like pultrusion, filament holding by connector. When heating is done, I set a turning speed, not too fast, not too slow, just ideal. If it isn't ideal speed, filament not get an ideal shape. As you can see, it's forming filament. This process, up your bottle size, take a few hours. Let it magic happens. When it done, take out filament from spool. And here it is. We made filament from waste plastic. If you learned something, subscribe my channel, go check out my other projects, and see you in next episode.